What's up guys, Philip at Trade Genius. On today's video I just wanted to go over our binary options, and I'm going to show you how you can start off with basically like $1,000 and grow that into over $15,000. So I'm going to explain that in this video. Let's dive into it.
Trade Genius.
Alright guys, so on our binary options, it's a very high probability system. We take tens of thousands of data points and we crunch them and we figure out what the probabilities are that a particular binary option contract is going to close true or false. And then we take that and make it an official signal that you guys can trade. So basically what we did here was we took a chart, and this goes back to when we first started this program. This program's been around a while, but we officially started it at Trade Genius back in early 2017. So we went from March 2017 to present with our current win-loss record of 122-6, using 2 contracts per $1,000 in capital, and then we just capped it at 10 contracts. So basically what would happen is every time you incremented $500 in capital, you'd add a contract, because that's kind of the ratio that we like to use for capital requirements when doing this program. So basically you went and you started off with that, and it basically grew, and you have you know, it's not perfect, there are a little bit of drawdowns in between, but as you can see, as you progress and you keep adding contract sizes, look at what you have grown that to, you know, from $1,000 to $15,273 as of Friday. So there's guys in the room that have done this, that have done better. And anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that that's just one thing that we do aside from the cryptos and stocks and ETFs and things like that. So we got a lot of stuff going on, guys. So if you want to get into that program, all you do is you can simply set up a nadex.com account and then head over to tradelikeagenius.com, and you can get any of these October specials. Special 1 will get you in there, $3.99. That's for a whole year, guys. I mean, that alone will pay for itself. Never mind all the other signals that we're giving out, and the room access, so you have access to us basically round the clock for questions and things like that. So anyway, check it out, guys. I think you guys will find that our services are well worth it, and like I said, $3.99, and that's going to be good for about another day plus, so hop on that. All right guys, that's it for this video. Tomorrow we're going to look at the Bitcoin outlook and see what the fear and greed indicator is telling us, as well as what's coming up the week ahead. We do have futures expirations coming up, so we'll talk about that in tomorrow morning's video. All right guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.